Hi everyone, and you are welcome to this lecture, Comparison Operators. In this lecture, we are going to learn about another type of operators that can be used with numbers, which is comparison operators. So, we are going to see equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and as usual, I'm going to end this lecture by a quick summary, so let's get started. First, let's start by defining what are comparison operators. From the name, we can understand that these operators are used mainly to compare between two values. In order to understand how these operators work, let me show you these details. Since the main job of these operators is to compare, so they need two operands. As you can see here, number of operands is 2. And the value data type is number, so both operands should be a number. And once the operator is executed, the final result is gonna be another number, but it should be a Boolean, because when I compare two things, the result will be true or false. Now, let's move to PyCharm IDE to see some example about comparison operators. Let me assume that I have two variables. The first one, a equal to 10, the second one, b equal to 20. And then I will assign the result of these comparison operators to another variable is named c. First of all, I will show you equal. So if I say a double equal sign p and then I print c. As you can see here, I use one equal sign here, double equal sign here. This equal sign here means assigning, which means I want to assign the result of this operator to the variable c. But double equal sign here means it's a comparison operator to compare between the two variables on the left and on the right. If they are equal to each other, the result will be true, otherwise the result is false. In this case, a is not equal to 20, so c will be false. Let's see. As you see here, false. Now, if I replace this equal sign by this exclamation mark and run, the result becomes true. Why? Because a, which is 10, is not equal to b, which is 20. So exclamation mark and equal sign mean not equal. Now let's see greater than. If I put this symbol, which represents greater than, and run, I will get false because a is not a greater than b. If I put equal here, the operator becomes greater than or equal, and also I will get false because a is not equal and a is not greater than p. Now, if I replace this small symbol here by this one, I will get a smaller or equal b. If I run, I will get true. Why true? Because a is 10, which is equal, or smaller or less than b, which is 20 in this case. If I remove this equal from here and run, I will get also true. Why true? Because this symbol represents less than, and in this case, a is less than b. And as you can see here, I get true. So as you can see, they are very simple and easy operator to be used, and the main job of these operators is to compare between values. And that's all for this code session. Now let's recap what we have learned in this lecture. First of all, comparison operators have been defined, and as we see, they are mainly used to compare between two values. If you want to use any of these operators, you have to keep in your mind that each operator takes two operands, and these operands should be numbers, and the final result after the operator is executed is another number from the type Boolean, which means the result could be true or false. Please refer to the file Comparison Operator Appendix, in which you will find these operators have been summarized with a simple example. Also, please refer to Comparison Operators Challenges, in which you will find some challenges to practice what you have learned in this lecture. Thank you very much for your time, and join me in the next lecture if you are available.